Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Hindi font in Capcut. Let's begin. Adding Hindi fonts in Capcut can enhance the appeal and impact of your videos, especially if your target audience is Hindi speaking or if you want to convey your message in a culturally relevant way. Because, India and other countries with a significant Hindi speaking population are large markets. So using Hindi fonts ensures your video connects with viewers who speak the language. Now, for you to be able to do that, there are a couple of methods that we want to use if you're using an Android. So first of all, you need to go to this specific website. It is called hindityping.info. So you have a couple of options here. All right, so number one option is going to the font right here, so we can download any of the following formats. Of course, you can go for these options. You can use, let's say, Punjabi if you want. Let's go for the Punjabi. And then here, you can try to select the Hindi font that you want. So it's up to you. What do you want to download from here? So, all right. So for example, I'm going to be choosing this. Let me check what I'm going to do. Maybe this AMR Neon. So click the download button. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. All right. So I want you to quickly switch to your Capcut app. For example, this, I'm going to add the font here. How? All I have to do is click the text option right here. Add a text. You see there's an option here that says font right here. And then from here, you see there's an option that says add font. I want you to click on it. From there, click the plus button so to select the downloaded font. Now, this is the downloaded font style. I'm going to click on it to select it, and then as you can see, the font has been added. All right. Now you can text your you can enter your text here, for example, D flaps. And then go to the style. Right, go to the text again. Here, go to the text. Go to style. You see the add font. Click the AMR Neon. And as you can see, we have successfully added a Hindi font here in Capcut. It's very easy, really. Right? And from there, you can, create an effect. Let's say this. You can choose from any of the following formats. All right? So basically, that's how you add font or a Hindi font here in Capcut. Now I'm going to add this here. Probably this one looks promising. So you have to choose. This one looks great. So I'm going to, let's say, put it down here. And then once you're happy with this, all I have to do is click on check. And then go to the top right corner to export this amazing design that you have created here in Deep Labs, or I mean in Capcut, that features the Hindi font. Click the export button. You might want to forward it to your client for feedback, or if you're working with a collaborative environment, send it to your team members. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.